A building plot is in the shape of a rectangle. The width of the field is 26, measured to the nearest metre. Work out the upper bound of the width of the field. And then we're looking at the length of the field. Okay, let's draw a crude diagram of the field. It's longer than it's wide. The width of the field 26, but it's measured to the nearest metre. Work out the upper bound of the field. Oh, well, this is not too complicated. 26 to the nearest metre. The next one up would be 27, and the next one down will be 25. Yet again, here are the goalposts, and this goalpost is at 25.5, and this one 26.5. This is the upper bound, and this is the lower bound. So the answer to the question, 26.5 metres. And that's your answer. Okay, let's have a look at part B. The length of the field 135 measured to the nearest 5 metres. So again, I put 135 here. The next one up would be 140, and the next one down will be 130. And the lower of the two goalposts, this will be at 132.5, directly in between our two numbers here, and the upper goalpost will be 137.5. Now they're asking us work out the upper bound of the perimeter of the field. So we need upper bounds of everything. This length will be 137.5. So will this bottom one. And these two sides, the width of the field, must be two of these. So this is 26.5. And this is 26.5. And if we add them all up, we'll get that the perimeter is equal to 328 metres. And that's your answer.